Good morning, dear children. I, Pooja Rajvanshi, welcome you all for the Mathematics Home Mentoring session of the ST Vidya School, Ambala Camp. Our today's topic of study is children, time. So let's start. This first clock which you are able to see, children. First of all, this is the Indian clock. It moves it is shown 12 in the top, 6 at the bottom, and digits 1 to 6 on the right hand side. And on the left hand side we have digits from 6 to 12. All these small lines 1, 2, 3 and 4, these are the minutes, right? If the needle starts from 12, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Each line represents 5 minutes. So 1 represents 5 minutes. This small 5 is written here. 6 minutes, 7, 8, 9 and 10 minutes. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 minutes. Right? 3 needles you are able to see here. The 2 black needles are the hour hand and the minute hand. And the thinnest means sabse patli, it is the seconds hand needle. As you can see, this needle is pointing towards these seconds, right? So it moves the fastest in the clock. The right hand side clock just intimates you that in chapter 1 you people have studied Roman numerals. So clocks are the examples where the Roman numerals are used the most. Now here it's a beautiful presentation with the theme of green color on the Republic Day to show you 2 types of clocks. Right? Here, children, this clock is specifically showing you the minutes. Now this represents 60 minutes. Right? This represents 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 15 minutes. Then you have 20 minutes, 25 minutes and 30 minutes. Right? 35 minutes, 40 minutes and 45 minutes. 50 minutes, 55 minutes and 1 round completes. Right, children? In the 24-hour clock, children, if you can see this inner circle. In this inner circle, the counting is increasing from 12. The midnight is represented by 24. Right? So here we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here, children, half a circle is completed and, right, half a day is completed. Now, this is 12 noon. This is 12 noon. Right? In our Indian clock, 1 round completes. Then half a day is spent, 12 noon. In 1 day in the Indian clock, the 12-hour clock, it completes 2 rounds. Whereas in this 24-hour clock which is shown inside, it completes only 1 round. So half a round gives you the AM time. This is AM. Then you have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This timing, the left hand side timing is the PM and the right hand side timing is the AM. Now as you can see, this hand is moving quickly, right? This hand is the hour hand and this hand is the, so much fast. What hand moves? This is seconds hand. Now this is 1 minute completed. The seconds hand moves so fast. And this represents the minute hand then. 1 minute is completed. 1 round of the second hand, 1 minute is completed. Clear, children? Now again, this is just to show you. Now see, it will be 60 seconds. This is the minutes. It became 8. We'll wait for 1 more minute. 3, 4, 54. Now this 37, it will become 38 and this will tick up. See, this moved from here to here. So like this, the clock keeps on moving. One more time you can see 54, 55. This 7 will become 8 and this will move from here to here. Yes? So as this moves minute by minute, the hour hand also keeps on moving. Again, this is just a different way of a clock representation. The outer circle represents our Indian clock. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is noon. It will again move and this will show me the midnight 12. In the 24-hour clock, children, the time moves as, 1 round 12, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now children, AM and PM I'm talking about. It's very important. Midnight to noon, we call AM. Noon to midnight, we call PM. In the PK testing question, I had asked a question, how is time related to us? So we do things accordingly. We don't sleep in the morning. We don't go to the school in the midnight. Right? We don't go to play early morning 5, at 3 a.m. We always preferably play in the evening hours. Right? We cannot go shopping early morning 6 a.m. No shops are open. So time plays such an important role in our lives. Dear children, the day and night, as we all know, there are 24 hours in a day. The day is divided into two parts, the day and the night. The daytime is from sunrise to sunset. This is the day. The night time, when the sun sets and till it rises, it is the night. Each day starts precisely at midnight. Just remember, a day starts at the midnight. It is AM. AM is also called antemeridium. It means before noon. It means before noon. It starts just after midnight. That is AM. Then what is PM? It's not Prime Minister, right? It's post-meridium, which means afternoon. When the 12 noon starts, after that the time till the midnight is the PM. Now this diagram clearly represents a lot of times. The day and the night. 12 midday is 12 noon. Midday, din ka madhya, middle. Right? It is 12 noon. We call it afternoon. After the afternoon, we have the evening timings. When the sun sets, children, it is also known as the dusk time. It is approximately around 6 p.m. or 18, right? Then we have the midnight. After midnight, it starts AM. And from the 12 noon, from the midday, 12 noon, the PM starts. So after midnight, we have morning, we have sunrise around 6 a.m. and it is known as the dawn time. The sunrise is also known as dawn and the sunset is also known as dusk. Now children, let's start our exercise. Writing time in past and to. For this children, please tune up to the next video.